Results, reports, assignments, and classes are over. Beginning because another phase of life is about to come. It is also true that graduating students have mixed emotions about graduation. They are excited to feel what high school life is all about. Happy because they will be more mature in making decisions for themselves. Worried because of the bigger challenges that lie ahead. And sad because they will be leaving behind friends and teachers and wonderful memories of their grade school lives. So to say goodbye to their teachers and to their alma mater, the top notcher of their class, Jimwell P. Rivera, will now deliver his farewell address. Let's give him a big hand.
Schoolmates, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen. The moment has come to turn another page of history. The battle of the pen and the mind has at last come to a close. Today, we do not only celebrate the end of our formal academic training, but also the start of our highest quest for learning. We have hurdled educational challenges which led us to another milestone that heralds fulfillment in man's pursuit. Graduation Day. What sweet music to the ears of young graduates like me. We look forward on this day with so much anticipation and excitement. We have now finished the first ladder of education and we are now ready to venture to the next step, secondary education. This is the day to celebrate and to make commitment as we continuously improve ourselves as we go on with our quest for the knowledge and wisdom. More importantly, to look back and acknowledge for those who did their share in making us successful in our first venture. It is but fitting and proper to give thanks to our parents for their sacrifices, moral, spiritual, and financial support. We are proud to be children of loving, caring, and responsible parents like you.